CFD trading has become a popular investing option throughout the world. In this video, we shall know what is CFD trading, what are the benefits of CFD trading, and what is the biggest advantage of CFD trading, that is leverage trading. So stay tuned, watch the video till end. So first of all, let's understand what is CFD. CFD means contract for difference. It's a contract between two parties. You can name them buyer and seller. So in this contract, the buyer agrees to pay the seller the difference. Let me explain you what is this difference in price. It's a difference in price at two different time periods. One price is current value at the time when the contract is made, and the second price is its value at the time of settlement. This time of settlement can be any time or period which is mutually decided. I hope the definition of CFD is clear, that it's a contract for only difference in price, unlikely traditional contracts for trade. Only the change in value of the item will be paid by the other party. There is no physical exchange of item in CFD trade. An example can help you understand it better. Let's pretend there are two people that want to trade CFDs, B and S. They will choose one product for CFD trading together. They will set a time limit, and when it's up, they will settle the trade on the basis of difference in price rather than physical settlement. Let's say they opt for gold. Physical gold is not owned by anyone. B believes gold rates will rise, hence he wants to buy gold. S believes that gold rates would fall and that he should sell his gold. They make the decision to engage in a contract for difference. B now purchases the gold while S sells it, and the gold rate at the time was 50,000 Riyal, let's say. They also agreed to settle the trade tomorrow at, let's say, 2 p.m. The new gold rate is 51,000 Riyal on the day of settlement. B, the buyer of the gold, will receive from the seller S the difference in price, which is 1,000 Riyal. The gold buyer made a profit because when he bought the gold, it was 50,000. Now it's 51,000 Riyal, whereas the seller lost money. The contract has been made. The difference in price is settled between both parties, which is 1,000 in our example. The one who already predicted a price hike will gain from the trade because the price did rise. Now on the contrary, if the gold price falls to 49,000 Riyal on the day of settlement, the situation will be altogether reversed. The buyer is now at a loss since he paid 50,000 for it and now it's only 49,000. The seller is in profit because he sold the gold at 50,000, which is 1,000 higher than the gold rate, 49,000 at the time of settlement. The difference in price, that is 1,000 Riyal, will be paid by the buyer to the seller. So here they settle the trade on the basis of the difference rather than on the basis of a physical exchange. The advantage of trading CFDs is that the buyer does not require 50,000 to purchase gold. S, the seller, on the other hand, does not require gold to be in ownership in order to sell the gold. B and S traded on the price differential in the absence of gold and money. In other words, they made the trade with less money and without physical ownership. I hope with this simple example, CFD trading is clear. Now let's talk about benefits of CFD trading. Because you don't have to own the financial instrument, a wide range of products are available for trade. You can choose any product for trade even if you don't actually own it. So there's a long list covering crypto, stocks, shares, currencies, commodities, indices, and so on. You can trade in anything in which you believe you can better speculate on the price trend. Second advantage of CFD trading is, to trade CFDs, you don't need to have the actual amount of the item. In our example, the gold price is very high, but you don't need to have 50,000 Riyal in your pocket to trade in gold. The next advantage is, because there is no physical ownership, there is no need to store the things in a physical location or a vault. B, the buyer is not required to retain the gold at his place. Number 4 benefit of CFD trading is, because trade is resolved on the basis of difference. The cost of trading is relatively modest when compared to traditional trade. Now let's talk about the biggest advantage of CFD trading, that is leverage trading. Let's understand leverage trading with an example. Leverage permits you to enter into large transactions with a small initial investment. Let's say you have 5,000 in your pocket and can trade for an item for 50,000 on CFD. You may purchase or sell gold or any other item for simply 5,000. In normal circumstances, price rise or fall up to 5 to 10% because you only exchange price differences in CFD trading, not the whole price. So this 5,000 money is enough. So the next question arises, how much leverage do you have? It is entirely dependent on the trading platform you are using and depending on the financial instrument you trade. Some brokers offer up to 400 times your initial investment. Now let's understand how leverage works. Let's pretend you have got $500. This sum becomes $200,000 when multiplied 400 times using leverage. This means that you can open a deal valued up to $200,000 with a deposit of $500. Assume that the price rises by 0.1%. Now as a result, you will make a profit of $200. You made a profit of $200 by investing only $500, which is 40% of original investment. So this is how you make big profits using leverage. Trading with leverage is a two-edged sword. In the event of loss, the same formula applies and you will lose $200 by investing $500. Which is again 40% loss. So it's very important to do your risk analysis before jumping into CFD trading. If this video was helpful for you, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Stay tuned for further videos.